that is only for few days. Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Meet me, I am Jaya, and today I am going to tell leading class. Do you know guys what is leading class? Leading class means our dressing style, our talking style, our hairstyle, our eye contact as well as our personality developments. That's called leading class. Today I am not alone, I have a team, so one by one they will come on the stage and they will perform their topic. So first of all I want to call my first friend on the stage. So please come on the stage. Please push your hands together. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
You are looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you excited for your telling about your topic?
Yes, today I'm very excited.
Okay, then let's start.
Hello everyone, meet me. I'm Sunita. Today I'm going to tell about town. I have a question. What is a town? A town larger than a village but smaller than cities. There are so many advantages and disadvantages of town. First of all, I'm talking about the advantage of town. There are so many facilities like education facility, health facility, transporting facility, education facility and entertainment facility. I will explain one by one. First of all, I am talking about education facility. We all know that education is most important part of human life, and there are so many good school, college, universities are present. And let's talk about job opportunity. There are so many good job opportunities because in town very companies, industries, factories are present. That's why people come in town and they do work. Let's talk about health facility. In town there are many hospital and clinic are present, and by hospital we can fight them any disease. So it is a good. Let's talk about transporting facility. In town transporting facility is very good because if you want to go one place to one other place, then you can travel very easily. If you want to transfer any product, then you can transfer very easily. So it is a good. Let's talk about entertainment facility. You know friend, entertainment is most important part of human life, and there are many entertainment places like park, water park, zoo, temple, etc. So town is good. Let's talk about the disadvantage of town. The first disadvantage of town, pollution. There are so many pollution because there are so many factories, industries, companies, plants are present. That's why people always suffer from disease. The second disadvantage, crime. In crime is being increased day by day, like murder, blackmailing, harassment, kidnapping, etc. The third disadvantage, cost of living. In town, living is very expensive. That's why some people can't survive. So it is a bad. Let's talk about the fourth disadvantage, food. We can't get fruits in town. That's why townish people always suffer from liver problem like acidity, diarrhea, etc. So it is a big disadvantage for town. So thank you.
Wow, what a speaker. You are telling absolutely right because in town we can get in town nuclear family is present, and we know that nuclear family is too much better than the joint family because in nuclear family we can get the freedom, opportunity, all things we can get. If any daughter-in-law go to outside area, one place to another place for the working, then she can easily do this type of work. So nuclear family is good. Now I would like to my second friend on the stage. So put your hands together. How are you?
I am fine.
You are looking so very confidently.
Thank you.
And are you excited for telling about your topic?
Yes, I am excited.
Okay, then let's start.
Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I am Sonati. I want to say about village. What is village? It is generally larger than a hamlet but smaller than a town. Advantage, there are many advantages in village. First of all, I will say about nature. Nature is the beautiful world that surround us. It is including trees, rivers, fish, moon, suns, etc. Tree is important in our life. Without tree we can't live. So tree is very important, and tree gives fresh oxygen, fresh air, medicines, woods, etc. Oxygen. By oxygen we alive, and without oxygen we can't alive. So oxygen is very important in our life. And let's talk about agriculture. India is an agriculture country. About 70% of our population depend on agriculture country. Our economics is best agriculture. And people say grow the more plants, vegetables, fruits and crops etc. So it is good. And let's talk about joint family. Village people live the joint family. And joint family is most important in our life. They if any problem then they solve together. And joint family enjoy any festivals to the fullest. So it is a good. And let's talk about education. Education is important in our life and without education we can't achieve any success in life. So education is very important. In village available educations, government school, private schools and college. Government school is many facility like that government gives book, money, clothes, bicycle, midday meal, etc. So it is a good. And let's talk about disadvantage. There are many disadvantages in village. First of all, I say about superstitions. A black cat crossing the road symbolizes bad luck, and a crow indicates that guests are arriving. And let's talk about untouchability. It is divides the society on the basis on caste, and your untouchability is defining on our society since 1500 to 1800 BC. So thank you.
Wow, mind blowing, super speaker. Yes, you are telling so right because village is most important in our life because we know that in village respect people know how to respect to guest and if any guest come then villages people respect like God and it is said that Atithi Deva Bhava. So it's good. Now I am going to call my third friend on the stage. So please clap for her. Hi, how are you?
I am fine.
You are looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you excited for telling about your topic? Yes, let's start.
Hello everyone, I am Sinta Kumar. Today I want to recite aquarium. Aquarium is most important part of the human life. Aquarium made by the glass. By glass we make crockery. Aquarium shape is different as like triangle, right triangle, circles, house of any beautiful shape. In aquarium, a lot of things as like aquatic plants, stone, water, fishes, oxygen pipe, etc. So aquarium look like very beautiful. Aquarium we should keep on the office, home, hospital, etc. First of all, I say about fishes. Fishes is important in our life. Fishes can see like human. Fishes only live into the water. Fish are found all over the world. Fish can't without water. There are two types of fishes: aquatic fishes and eating fishes. Aquatic fishes is important in our life. Aquatic fishes only for keep on the aquarium. Aquatic fishes look like very beautiful. Aquatic fishes name angel, tiger, dolphin, shark, etc. Now I wanna say about water. Water is important in our life. By water we are alive, and without water we can't alive. By water cook food and take bath as well as we drink water. Let's talk about tree. Tree is important in our life because by tree gives woods, and by woods we make bench, tables, showcase, etc. By woods we make big buildings, factories, homes, etc. Let's talk about stone. Stone is important in our life. By stone we make big buildings, factories, home. There are two types of stone: cheap stone and crushing stone. Cheap stone only for keep on the aquarium. Cheap stone many types colors: red, blue, white, pink, etc. and look like very beautiful. Let's talk about light. Light is important for aquarium. By light fishes play and swimming, so light is important. Now I wanna say about oxygen pipe. Oxygen pipe is important for fishes. By oxygen pipe fishes take oxygen and alive. So we should keep aquarium because fishes are good luck for luck. Thank you.
Wow, what a speaker. And you are telling absolutely right because you know that aquarium is the most important in our life because aquarium is a good luck and and your hairstyle is also too good. Are you ready for telling?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's start.
Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. With me I am Rahul, I am Shivas from Small Center, Karma Vishwanath. For today I tell you about one beautiful story. The story title of Adam story. It is was of season of the marriage. One day I thought I should purchase new clothes. Then I got ready and I began to go to Saturpur. But when I was going to Saturpur, then Pooja came and Pooja accident my bike and I fell down in the land. Then Pooja said, "Forgive me, sir, forgive me." Then I said, "After that, doctor." Then Pooja said, "Forgive me, sir, forgive me." Then Pooja said, "Let's go to hospitals." Then I said, "Yeah." Then we went to hospitals and I saw one nurse there, wrong types of treatment. Then I said, "A rotor shape is the one from." Then I went to doctor chamber and doctor treating. Then I saw many bad people came and he saw me. Then I said, "Yes, several doesn't make a summer." Then I went to home and I said, and I asked with my sister, "Will you be a doctor?" Then my sister said, "No." Then I said, "Like others, like son." Then I said, "What will you do? What will you be?" Then my sister said, "I will be IPS." Then I said, I went to roadside and I saw my parents. Then I went in front of my friend and I said, where were you?" Then my friend said, I was in the Mumbai. Then I said, "10 for between." Then my friend said, "Let's go to Kasuru." Then I said, "Okay." Then we went to Kasuru and my friend purchased car. Then I said, "A 9 days wonder, so you should purchase car." Then my friend said, "Let's go to temple." Then we went to temple and I saw Soumya was talking with the junior girl. Then I went to in front of Soumya and I said, "You shouldn't talk with the junior girl." Then Soumya said and he went to senior girl and he talked. Then I said, "Diamond cut diamond." Then I went to home and I said, my sister, "I was very hungry, so we will give food." Then my sister came and he gave one chapati. Then I said, "A drop in the ocean." Then my sister very sad and he gave 10 chapati. Then I ate food and I asked my sister, "What is your results?" Then my sister said, "I am got 3rd division." Then I very hungry and then my sister moaned and very sad. Then I went to market and I purchased chocolates and I went to home and I give in the chocolate my sister and my sister is happy and he is singing, dancing. Then I said, "Took it towards one stone." Then I went to my brother and I said, "Where are you take admission?" Then my brother said, I will be taken in the America." Then I said, "Cut your coat, take in the cloth." Then at last I went to Smita and I asked her, "Do you know how to dance?" Then Sunil said, "Yes, but I have no mood." Then I said, a bad carpenter."
Wow, you spoke so nice. And yes, really guys, Adams is most important in our life because you know that by Adams we can create the government job as well as we can impress anyone. So Adams is also most important in our life. At last, I am going to end our reading class, but before ending, I want to say something. One thought. Life is like the waves on the ocean. It keeps going. So always be happy and cheer up. Thank you.